Once upon a time, Princess Zara lived in a grand golden palace. One night, a silver blue nightingale appeared on her window, singing the sweetest song she had ever heard. The princess, afraid of losing the bird, ordered her servants to capture it and place it inside a golden cage. But soon the nightingale grew silent. Its feathers drooped, and it no longer sang. The princess felt her heart grow heavy with regret. At last, she opened the cage and whispered, "Fly free, little one." The bird soared into the starlit sky. That night, the nightingale returned to her window, singing more beautifully than ever. The princess finally understood. True happiness lives in freedom,
Hello,
not
and
in
welcome to my
possession.
channel. Please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for more videos.